Hi, I'm Josh from Oxford Plastics. Today I'm talking to you about the LowPro Trench Cover system. The LowPro Trench Cover range is Chapter 8 and Hawk compliant and can cover a length of trench up to 1200mm wide. Before installation, you need to do a site-specific risk assessment, including measuring the trench to ensure suitable width. Here we're using the LowPro 1510 in a driveway, which is our largest board. The trench should be a maximum width of 900mm. Set up a worksite perimeter with Chapter 8 Avalon Barrier. Take the LowPro Trench cover and insert the Infill Plate at either end. Lower the LowPro centrally over the trench and place the next LowPro over the plate at both ends. Place the infill between the LowPros and secure with 2 bolts at either end. Available in 4 configurations, the LowPro 1510 and LowPro 12.8 come with the option of a long and short-sided infill strip. For more information, search Oxford Plastics.